Hey everyone, welcome back to South Delhi Flows Property Vlogs. I'm Mohit Minocha, your local luxury realtor. और आज के इस वीडियो में I'll be doing a live site visit of a 200 square yards park facing floor in Anand Niketan. So आइए देखते हैं ये पार्ट. So guys, we are at Anand Niketan and आइए देखते हैं ये 200 गज का park facing first floor. Let me show you the location first. So it's a stunning park-facing location in Anand Niketan. It's a 200 square yards first floor. Now let me show you the location. It is located in one of the best location of Anand Niketan, on a very peaceful road, wider road, and there is a beautiful park in front of this apartment. Now let's see the stunning drawing room of this property. It's a very spacious drawing room, and ample of woodwork has been done in this drawing room. It's a fully air conditioned first floor with ample of woodwork. There's a wooden feature wall also in the drawing room, and there are two air conditioners only in the drawing room. Now let me give you the good look of the drawing room. Let's see the first bedroom. This bathroom is attached to the first bedroom. It can be used as a powder room also. This is the spacious first bedroom. It's a very well planned bedroom with a balcony attached which is overlooking the park. There's a wardrobe also, a fully modular wardrobe. And amazing ceiling work, wooden ceiling work in this bedroom. Now let's see the attached bathroom. A beautiful bathroom with a very functional vanity. All Italian stone cladding. So it's a multi-use bathroom. This is attached to this bedroom as well as it can be used as a powder room also. Now let me take you to the kitchen of this apartment. It's a very well planned layout. The foyer is very wider. It doesn't look like it's a 200 square yards. It's that well planned. And this is the modular kitchen attached with this apartment. A beautiful modular kitchen with inbuilt chimney and hob. Now let me show you the kitchen layout. It's a good sized kitchen with ample space for your kitchen essentials. A space for inbuilt appliances such as microwave and oven has been already provided. And this is the space for the refrigerator. Now let's see the second bedroom of this property. This is the spacious second bedroom. The USP about this bedroom is that it has a full wall-to-wall closet. Another luxury bedroom with wooden fall ceiling work. There is balcony attached in every bedroom. Now let's see the bathroom attached with it. This is the bathroom with a functional vanity, Italian stone cladding, all UPVC windows. A very well planned shower cubicle area with a rain shower. All the bathroom fittings are by Grohe and Duravit. And a good storage space for bathroom essentials. Now let's see the third bedroom. This is the third bedroom of this spacious 3-bedroom builder floor apartment. It has a full wall-to-wall closet. It's a sliding wardrobe with 3 doors. Let me give you a good look of this bedroom. All the bedrooms have different style of fall ceiling with some wooden elements. And there is also a balcony attached to it. This is the multi-use balcony. Now let me show you the bathroom attached to it. This is another luxury bathroom attached to this bedroom. All the bathrooms have a different style of stone combinations, all Italian stone cladding. A well-planned shower cubicle with rain shower. Now let me give you a good look of this bathroom. So Southdeli Flows is starting a trend of live site visit for every property we shoot. We will be posting a detailed video tour of every property. We will also be posting a live site visit so that you can have a good look of a property before the detailed video tour. Don't forget to like our videos, subscribe to Southdeli Flows for many more luxury properties like this, and do tell in the comment section that how you like this property. And if you have any price queries or would like to go for a site visit, just call 9999004511. Thank you.